Ringphawon da achiwi khamataya pauping 100 days action plan with Rani Kwika the schemes yaw project hapok mihaira White Tower protected reserve forest li semhai ka sa shimping phaita mihaira Chiri tipai muk shongfu wiwang ban sadale Lekyangator, ajo the Tangkhul Express we power Ringphawon Zimik in a pamidale, pauping my sa ina nganangrum sa. Manipur Shokar Katarwi Kare Zimik show Shakawi alungli, Saki Gaji 100 days action points for first 100 days with Rani IRCT Convention Centrally Kwikada, departments ngatated with schemes, ngatated with benefits, Yami Haira. Rani Chili Project Haugupok Kala Foundation Stones Kashungla Kwikada Chief Minister and Biren Singla Wazanga Shorkar Nasara the Twimi Gahaji Sakashok Tekwilaka the Zimik Shoji Yari Wivang Ringapa Atam Nasarana Kala Arila Saki Guchitara Kalefuya the Chief Minister Nahanga Aya we Rani Chili 176.72 crore Kakawi project being Hapok Mihaira Lupa 3.28 crores Kadawi Kapa beneficiaries li Yaw Mihaira Lupa 19 crore Kadawi project being Wivang Foundation Stones Shun Mihaira Kala training skilling Wivang Lupa 11.50 crore Mihaira the Chief Minister Nahanga Acha hon wili rinda kale Zimik show Shakawi out murut kupkasang aina Shorkar na Zingum Akasawa ki kuji Karin la Pong Mira the Chief Minister Nahanga Biren na Kamujuli eviction drive Savafara kuji la hanga Chief Minister na kahang ngalay mapamranli pamda kale illegal encroachers pingli kakasham chi Savafara kala Shorkar we quarters li matay sang kukui la mapamran na kabam kala quarter magasa Hikathale mamaya lak marada hangmatina. Kala kapungli rano tambagli rano Shorkar wing a lele mangayila kapamli mamaya marada hanga. Ichicha wing a lay Malay kajangkat kajiping liver Shorkar ngajon mira kajihi hangda housing complexes flat system aina semi kawai Shorkar ngalay yang pokhaira the Chief Minister na hanga. Veterinary aina Animal Husbandry Department we azingli veterinary hospitals mukada phanga dispensaries hang phanga da chishat the tharkat kami hairo enhancing skill development infrastructure ESDI we azingli no ne aina forzoli government IIT khani we foundation stone la shunmi hairo social welfare department we azingli Manipur all age pension we beneficiaries thingthra da thuruk kala chief ministers widow pension scheme we beneficiaries thingthra le benefits yaumi hairo blue revolution we akai akasa da Nambol we fish hatcheries la tharkat kami haira water and soil testing kits la khai ka kainau hang phangale panglan mi haira tourism department we azingli hotel management catering technology kala applied nutrition we start course la hapok mi haura kala tourism policy aina tourism calendar la launch sahaira school Fagathansi we azingli worship hangphanga sangmi haira kala star education program la statewide integrated education management system digital learning platform we azingli chishut me aina katamnau kai khale tablets la yaumi haira ITES sector industry wibang Guwahati li training khui khawai Shorkar na katamnau shaka makali jihoka haira Rani hili departments ngatai dana otmanga Kwika Highway Films Jiteng Roga. Union Minister of State for Education and External Affairs Dr. R.K. Ranjan Ministers Aina MLA Sping Chief Secretary Dr. Rajesh Kumar DGB P. Dongel Senior Officials Police Officers Sping Kala Beneficiaries Sping La Rani Chilibazanga Tobal District Likale White Tower Protected Reserve Forest Li Shorkar we Kamaya mazangla semhai kasa shim hang thuruk da chuko phaitami haira district administration with senior officials ping kala forest department with mi jangda shim ping che acha hon tarik thra da khani thang phaitami ka haina chilipam gasami shakhani shika lilong haurebi college le ngayin khuidalai ngalei jiwi pata kala allotment orders thobal deputy commissioner na Tarik Chiko thang cancel Sami laga divisional forest officer na Tarik thra thang eviction notice mi khawana kala shim chilipam kasabing kupthang ngazin pung phanga matarang laka shim masai mi khwai chizami ka haina state we abam ngatai te dele lewa makhaning kala mapam ran pingna pam gazat psycho rally kasham gazat shorkana drives chatalai kuchi mathang chief minister and biren singh na kapishoka officials na kahang protected forest areas pamli shim sempapha gachile makhamya che achu mang maningla mathang ot sawa mamanra da leya Chiri Dipaimuk Shongfu Zakshina Kahai Yang Sangranna Mayang Sang Khami Wiwang Ramnao Bingna Shongfu Pamkham Hailaga Leidale Mathang Zin Aina Hapokda Ajang Zin Aina Tanda Chiri Bamwe Jingdong Lekai Women Organization Athanda Shongfu Jile MazatNgsakla Leidale Chiri Bam District we Poro Pegra Subdivision Wiwanga Chiri Dipaimuk Shongfu Je Kankhana Audio Phung Khawai Chimana Kala Shongfu Je Aina Dibong Chidong Lekai Lal Pani La Tangkhul kala khung tara ka washunga Chiribam district with deputy commissioner office la Shongfu Jiaina Khangarina Chiri Dipaimuk road je Zakshida Jingkum Khani Kuthumra hairo Ngako Katrok na Shongfu le Rukhong Thada Terung Rung Kapamla Leya Kala ji Jingshadli Zakshi Mailuya da hanga Zakshida Khaleji Shorkana Yankai mi hauda Ramnao Bingna Maringapha Phongshok Talai Chiri Dipaimuk Shongfu ji Siami Khawai memorandum la misang ji hairo ka higher authorities na kika mangahan ka mitua da hang pau jina ka hang chief minister na go to village 2.0 rani wiwang Chiribam district li yaw khawale Chiri Dipaimuk Shongfu sem khawai lupa 114 crores sanction sahai dalai kachi hang ka hai lei dalai kha jiwi ot mahapograng kachi na da hang Works Minister Govindas Konthojamna RCC train kasem ngasam ngsakhayro Paumye Pingzangda MLA Sabam Kunja Keshwar Single ngasoda Minister Govindas na reinforce cement concrete RCC train kasem je wayangda apam machala saka kasawiwang ot kasa ngasam ngsakhayra Kala chili yangsang mida khlaiping Works Minister le samphang khawai chizami hairo RCC train je Shongfu we ayar khanini shong Oriental College Gate we aina Kethel Manbi Tashungda National Highway 37 le semda khalai sana Works Minister China Kahang Mumbai Wilila Sakhamai Manipur Wingaleji Midras Chishat train masem ngayawmana Chida da semda khaleji Shorkar Wibangla Yari Wibangla Sagza Kahaka Ngasara da Govindas Nahang Govindas Nagahang Ministry na Jizu Khamia Tishuda National Highway Lanes Khaniwe Apak Aina Semki Kuchina Jida Dasa the National Highway and Infrastructure Development Corporation Limited na Semda Khle RCC train ji Shongfu we Ayar Wamai Karda Semkapai na Chia Kala National Highway 37 hi lane Mati Aina Semi Khawaila Chief Minister and Biren Singh na Union Minister le Marlak Aina Hangda le Chia NHI DCL na finance bill kai khawai da now the wiwang kapha maphaningla oti kathagui alungle kupsang khawai sada khalaina chida da sada RCC train kasemje ngasam saplungra da hang Shorgana reg sang hagasang ot khwikhara tharan yarina ningchang aina yangasang darga saya kala ot kasaje yarina ningang mukhung tharan shorkale hangphulungi kichina da Govindas na hang Naga Nauping Koka Gasa, Mayonra, Gala, G Psychorana, Zangabai, Jingri Kahai, Shongza Gazat Nasara. Naga Solidarity Work G, Marang July Tarik Magada Jishatang, Kohimawiana Tatpoglaga, Tarik Magada Jikotang, Manibru Snapati, Tahamzamle, Gazipkira. Naga Ngale Wivang the Yarina Jingri Kawai, Gala, Koka Gasa Wivang, Zatkida Kaleji, Anti India Project, Maningmana. Ka pro naga movement na da GNF na hang Thari apom ning paning chadyur hikatha khangatei khaleji naga solidarity work na ngashi khami thong sara naga chinaw ngarawi khanganai kachithe ngasara da forum chui coordination committee na hang Naga Naubing na kasaka atamle rashung haira kala chotlak aina raga hai shongja hile kai khana chot changda Ningrin na shiman kahai lay haira kachi hi hangda. Naga Naubing wing chaile rod marat yang shing ro khawai yang gshe na atha yaw sang mi hai salala atam apong gcha khara tharan naga naw pingwe ma khang je khamashit khamano jina phongmi chingra da GNF na hang miyur akha atajan akha da ma khang kai shimphung washung khawai shongjale ithum khokasa da chatrumra kchi hi kahang ainang so da naga naw psycho rana ichicha wi sakapai apong aina kakatom chithemi lo da global naga forum na kapishoka Chiribam district li lupa lak hang chishada phanga kadawe brown sugar haigasa Manipur police na tukhui haira Chiwiwang police officials na mi guthumle tukhui haidalai brown sugar ji 7 raja Debashish Ball kala athoi chiru ashiguthumna National Road 37 lengang pokpile karya akhale phungjat kasa police na check kasa li tukukhuina Kuthumji police wi pangle haida khanghan sapokhaira maram chiwi rga khrila hapokhaira India le hakasang regasang otngurut singkada claping achahon Prime Minister Narendra Modi na review sada luba 59000 crore manwi khamataya project chiko maram ling san haidalai Chile northeastern state chishat paida washungki kichi northeast gas grid project la changdalai project sing chile changdak lai saiko rena atam chada ot kupsang khawai salo kichi hi prime minister na kazib chile hanghaira central infrastructure projects kahak thingha shashini ka dawe ot manga yangsang khawai achakum khayon kachangwe aina sarkar na chichami ka haina ot manga yang sangji project kahak ji atam limu kubla lupa chungmai gazang mashok khawai kasana infrastructure projects kahak review kasa chili northeast gas grid project changda khaleji 1656 km kasang gas pipeline grid sem khawai sada khalaina gas pipeline ji Northeast we state psychorele washungmida India le natural gas regional imbalance khaleji khwiti mi khawai gasana da hanga Northeast gas grid project 2018 kum Miami da 2024 kum semkup hairasa phulungra kichi rinda khaleina gas pipeline semda khaleji central sarkarna direct funding mida lupa 5559 crore women aina semda khaleina khamataya projects katai prime minister review sa ka haile Raipur Visakhapatnam economic corridor lupa 20000 crore we greenfield road project la changdalai Andhra Pradesh we Kakinada Visakhapatnam Srikakulam le 391 km natural gas pipeline project la changdalai Students Union of Khangleipak SUK na mukhok khami kachiko state level spelling ngahanle katamnaw thingphanga langdana shurukhuida mubung phalak aina kupsang haira state we worship shakha thumrawi class 5 we aina hapokda 10 aina tangdawi katamnaw pingna ngahan chilewa janga Johnstones Higher Secondary School li rungra da legasaji katamnaw jungnara haida Khuman Lambak Indoor Stadium le wasahawada SUK President Thana Kumar Ningthoja na hanga Micha karara da mapaning satu da angaran angaye mathashun aina masara thura da hanga ngahan preliminary round with result achahon chok da final ngahan tarik thra da chiko thangwa sara da leidalai Revolutionary People's Front RPF with top commander self-styled Lieutenant Colonel Irom Ipotombi Meitei Aya State Chokale Hamsangda mainstream li hanung haira RPF hi People's Liberation Army with political wing na kala Manipur with outlaw group Kareli janga itumna phaningung bai hapta khani with mamangli la United Tribal Liberation Army with Mitra da mati khudlai herta da state chokale hamsang haira Chief Minister Birenda, Chief Secretary Rajesh Kumar, Kala Director General of Police P. Dongelni, Musoda, Jingum Hang Pangada Turuk, Kakahaya, Ipotombi Maitina, mainstream Ungazangli welcome Sakuya. Police intelligence officials Nakahang, Ipotombi Maitehi, RPF with Health and Family Welfare Deputy Secretary in charge, Sagasana. Ipotombi Maitehi, Nambul, Thangdet, Bishnupur District Wimina. Kala ana 1994 kum aina outfit chile ngashigda rahai kasana underground outfits we mina mainstream le ungjangda khaleji sarkar le shitkasang jithaya da chief minister Biren Hang Khelo India Youth Games 2021 ne host Haryana na matha makeup da ngarew haira gold hang phanga da khani silver thumra da chiko kala bronze hang bati da thuruk samphang da medal shaka thumra da shini aina Haryana na khuyui mai khaya samphanga Maharashtra na medal shaka magada phanga yui da ka khane li jang kala Karnataka medals hang thuruk da shini aina ka kuthuma ngapham samphanga Manipur na medal magada chishat samphang da khamate li janga Khelo India Youth Games 2021 je kachang hiwi tarik mati li hapok da Haryana we Panchkula we apam ngate te dali rungmia ngahan je aya kup kasangna Khelo India Youth Games 2021 ngahan jili states kala Union Territory Saikor we aina wajang rok da athletes thingmati shashini na shurukhuya jili shinau thingkhani shakhani hang thuruk da khani na shurukhuimiya
Hoziki matamda mipum khudimagna hainari stay home stay safe Wahai se magun delay adubu wahai da magun lairagata yabasu natte oiba yai yumadu da magun lairabade Mamangai dadi yumse yum khakta oirame hozikti office spa salon restaurant supermarket manamasingi kaitel Angang singi school amadi football field pumnamak yum ngaktani Hozikti yum danatana hairiba pumnamak sing sisu samely aduna yumbu yam sexina sabiyu Make cement ga loinana Make cement take laroidaba yum tatlaroidaba mari
Dr. Helena Eye Care Center opposite Raj Medicity, North AOC, Imphal. Dr. Helena Eye Care Center li surgery, prosthetic eye, contact lenses, artificial eye testing, frames, different fibers, glasses, hikatatha sapaira. Visiting hours na summerly Monday to Saturday 8 a.m. to 4 p.m. Sunday li na 8 a.m. to 12 noon na. Appointment Vivang 977-406-5535 li call Sami Payo.
Nagaland ne Hornbill ngakok hangko khalang akhale rek naulaga satat ka hai Vivang mi guthumli tukhui haira ochoji Wokha district we Phandari town le kushokna kala ashi guthumji na ngakok khalang jile rek sakatha chiwi video la ngayawda yarina mayang khangai mulung khawat phongshok ngorok haira itumna thebai Hornbill ngakok wanau he Nagaland we state bird na kala chili khaya kashi chitheda wanau chiwi mingpho khuida haklak kahai Hornbill nitrela kum kachi mayona tukhui kahai kuthum chili rakhri khawai wildlife division team li misang hairo video chili mi akhna ngakok hangko khalang dala ko ho Hornbill wanau chili thing aina khayap thai kala chuwi thili wanau chuwi akuhungli naishan naga sathat khawai kasala the khuya ochoji yariwi mangale ko shokna Phandari police station we officer in charge Jumbemo Kikona East Mojoli kahang Manipur we aina wildlife division team akha aya wo khale wa shung haira kala tukhui kahai kuthumji legal proceedings chadalaichiya Lot Lushida Ajwi Kamataya Pauping 100 days action plan with Rani Kwikada schemes Yao project Hapok Mihera White Tower protected reserve forest li Semhai Kasashim Bing Paita Mihaira Chiri Tipai Muk Shongfu Wivang Band Sadale Achu pau henang chang hairo pau ngana da thlei nathum sai ko rele ringpa kala kham haya jim show sa serna